In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Nutrafol discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Nutrafol discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this phone with a $10 discount off any order, simply select the button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy. And you can use this one to get a $10 discount off your next order. Also, we have another website which is called Simply Codes. And right here we have a list with other promo codes, as you can see, that we can use to get some discounts. So if you want to get this one with a $50 discount right here, all you need to do is just select the button where it says view code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can apply it on your next order to get a 50% or $50 discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.